Welcome to the global capital of luxury, innovation, and world-class service. Dubai, the city of dreams, endless possibilities, and ambition where every detail is designed to impress. In the heart of this destination, there is a place where excellence becomes personal, a place where perfection is crafted with the same precision and care, a clinic where every smile is designed to match these standards. We are welcoming you to Eden Aesthetics Clinic, where world-class dentistry meets modern luxury. And now, the future destination of your perfect smile. Our philosophy is simple. It's to deliver results that are precise, natural, and memorable. From a full smile makeover, including porcelain veneers, digital smile design, all meticulously designed by blending science, art, and technology to reveal your most confident, radiant smile. I see dentistry as a partnership with my patients. When the patients leave happy with a genuine smile, that's when I know my work has succeeded. All guided by an outstanding team, recognized 3 times as the best clinic in Dubai and trusted by patients from around the globe, creating results that speak for themselves.
Every smile we design is an art, created to match your facial harmony. Our work is about long-term dental health, function, and comfort.
Imagine arriving in Dubai, being escorted to your 5-star hotel, with every detail of your journey curated with care. All of this is a part of your magical experience with Eden Aesthetics. Your journey in Dubai is more than dental. It's luxury, discovery, and renewal. Surround yourself with stunning architecture, world-class hotels, and vibrant neighborhoods that make this visit unforgettable. A world-class city, a world-class clinic, and a smile that changes everything. And now, it's ready to welcome you. Not just as a visitor, but as someone who deserves their very best transformation. Your perfect smile is a statement, a reflection of confidence and precision. Book your consultation with Eden Aesthetics today and enjoy Dubai while we create the Hollywood smile you've always dreamed about.